Hi, today I'm going to talk about hidden energy costs. Now, most people are aware that we use a lot of energy for transportation, heating and cooling of buildings, and the generation of electricity. But one thing that no one seems to be talking about, it takes energy to produce the stuff that you consume. And when you get making a finished product, it takes energy to manipulate the materials, to assemble it and transport it. And some things it's handling, like frozen foods, has got to be kept cold. And even electronic communications on the internet. There's some big server farms eating up a lot of juice. Food production, the more that goes to waste means the more that the tractors have to run up and down the fields. And even recycling, it's not a free lunch. You can't just use vast amounts of material that figured, no problem, get recycled. Even that takes a lot of energy. Like aluminum, it's got to be remelted. So, very simply, the more you consume in products, the more energy you incur. All those clothes, CDs, furnishings, electronic gadgets, all that stuff takes energy to make. So the more you consume, the more energy has to be used to produce it for you. So you could apply, reduce, reuse, and recycle to energy. You're not just saving resources, but you're also saving energy. And I think an important component of reduce is to maintain the stuff you got and taking care of things. It's like maintaining and repairing your vehicle. If something lasts longer, then it won't have to be replaced by a new production, a new item. I mean, I've got a '69 Chevy. It needs occasional work, but it's still cheap to keep. It's over 400,000 miles, and it's fairly dependable. It's not as clean burning or as fuel efficient as newer vehicles, but that's a different issue. What I'm talking about is averting the energy that would be otherwise required to build another vehicle. Fixing things. If you fix instead of dispose, you're saving energy. I fixed the handle on my microwave. It still works. I bought it in 1984. It's 27 years old, which is a lot, longer lifespan than pretty much any microwave you'll buy now. Yeah, the display's out, but it still works. Don't have any reason to replace it. And there's also attempting to buy things that, at least to your knowledge, will last longer. Now, I was looking to buy something for occasional mixing and blending, and I figured I don't even need one of those great big, sunbeams or KitchenAids. So I figured I'd get a handheld mixer blender. Now, most of them are about this size, and there at the store it was this. It costs about 50% more, but it's a lot bigger and heavier. It's heavier duty. The bearings, the motor, everything is going to hold out better. So I should have this one an awful long time. Sometimes buying quality equals lasting power, but not always. Keeping serviceable items. My kitchen table dates from the Formica era, the Formica era, 1950s. My parents bought it back then. It's not pristine, but it still works as a table. I'm not going to replace it just because it's not the latest kitchen fashion. Reuse of items. That includes cast-offs, things used, hand-me-downs, secondhand store items, items from construction restores, you know, where they salvage material from deconstruction, yard sales. And if you're a self-sufficient type, then those days when they have the cleanup programs, people put their rubbish out in the street, you know, I'll take a look sometimes. My neighbor had thrown out a slightly used kibachi, but heck, I was I was thinking of buying something to barbecue on it, so I was like, well, good enough, it works, I'll use it. I live in an apartment complex. There's a number of dumpsters here and there. So when I take out the trash, I'll take a look around. Sometimes people will set stuff aside, stuff that others could use. I found a box of sandals. 4 of them about the right size. I tried them on. 2 of them I put them to use. The Birkenstocks are nice and comfortable. And of course, you know, if you find something, you can always clean it. It's not, you know, any big deal. I had found 2 vacuum cleaners and 2 chairs. Then I see 2 more vacuum cleaners. They needed minor repairs, but they were nicer. I still have them. The 2 office chairs, I found 2 nicer ones. So the old ones went out and the nicer ones came in. You know, by fixing those 2 vacuum cleaners, I must have saved right around $100. Okay, but anyway, here are a few of the items I have found over the years. Now, I'm not talking about being a pack rat. You should only take those things and buy those things and reuse those things that you actually have use for. So reduce, reuse, recycle. You know, not only does it save energy, save resources and saves the environment, but it also saves a lot of energy. It also saves a lot of money.